On Jamaica House Weekly, more social houses delivered, assessment of infrastructure for national development, and a focus on our youth. These and more coming out of the office of the Prime Minister last week. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Marjorie Gordon. Prime Minister Andrew Holness started last week with a tour of key areas in St. James. It included the Montego Bay Perimeter Bypass, where he announced that 60% of the roadway had been excavated. Mr. Holness also indicated that he was particularly pleased with the harmonious labor relations on the project and the effort that had been put into getting the labor force together.
From what I have seen here, significant work and preparation has been done in ensuring that there is labor harmony and training of labor, and that's very important. It is important because we are going to be doing several of these projects right across Jamaica.
He said the $274 million project will open up new investments and development for Montego Bay.
It is going to open up new opportunities for housing, because as we open these corridors to put in the new road, new lands become accessible. But outside of that, industry will also grow.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness also officially opened the rehabilitated gravel lane, which is described as the first brick road in the second city. It was repaired at a cost of $2 million by the St. James Municipal Corporation.
I'm particularly pleased to see this. You can't see it now, but as we walk up this lane, you will see how it has just been lifted purely by changing a rough gravel surface into a smoothly paved area using bricks.
Another stop for Prime Minister Holness was the Montego Bay Comprehensive Health Centre. He announced that the Type 5 facility would be expanded through the acquisition of a property adjacent to the health centre.
The government is cognizant of the issues we all face in health. We hear your cries daily, and we are moving as quickly as possible to improve our ability to serve you.
The delivery of more units under the new social housing program was part of the Prime Minister's agenda last week. 67-year-old Norma Cooper of Adelphi in St. James received a one-bedroom home, while Miss Woodsey of Manchester Central was happy to receive a two-bedroom unit. Over in St. Elizabeth, Wellesley Mackenzie of Lacovia also received the keys to a one-bedroom unit, while Winston Williams and his family from Cameron Hill District became the proud owners of a three-bedroom house.
Every Jamaican should have access to a good standard of shelter. They should have protection from the element. It should be a place of refuge and security, a place where they can live comfortably and raise their family.
Mr. Holness also made a stop at the Manchester High School and engaged students on conflict resolution and how it can shape a future that fosters harmony and productivity. This, he told them, would position Jamaica towards a prosperous future.
We are going to have to incorporate the schools now to deliberately teach in the curriculum how to manage conflict. It is going to have to be a curriculum subject. We want to say thank you for an amazing legacy.
Last Wednesday, the Prime Minister paid tribute to founder and owner of Digicel, Dennis O'Brien, for 22 years of telecom services in Jamaica.
The people of Jamaica are grateful and proud of what has been built in Digicel.
Later that evening, Mr. Holness lauded Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett on the launch of 2 books on his journey and service, as well as the resilience and sustainability of the sector.
He has taken this more than administrative interest in his portfolio and the development of policy. For him, tourism is a passion, and that comes through very, very clearly. He's so passionate about it that he takes academic reflection on the work and tries to document it and to leave well-defined principles for others to be able to follow.
Back at Jamaica House, Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with the executives of the National Prayer Breakfast Committee. He also met with representatives of the Nation Brand Ad Hoc Steering Committee of Cabinet. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.